Hello children, good morning. I hope all of you are good. So my dearest children, today I have come up with another short poem. Hope you will like it children. So here's it. Once I went on sailing, a sailing on the sea. I sailed the boat, I sailed the ship, I sailed to Zululand. A negro sat beside me in an old and easy way. And this is what he said to me when I held his hand. American Munza Munza, Samasta Sara Negro. Chick chick chola chicka chikulam, hiya hiya ho. American Munsa Munsa Samasta Saranitro Chick Chick Chula Chika Chikulam Hiya Hiya Ho. So children, did you enjoy it? It was very interesting. So children, please do share and subscribe, and please don't forget to like. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.